If you've ever dreamt of giving a piece of furniture a second life, then this is for you. I don't know about you, but everybody that I tell that I'm a seamstress, they always respond with, oh, well, that is a dying art. And if you've heard that, I am right there with you. When I first started my upholstery journey, it felt like the knowledge was under lock and key. There were no resources, there were no schools, there was no YouTube. I spent countless wasted hours using the wrong tools, bad techniques, and getting amateur results that I was just embarrassed by. It was confusing, sometimes stressful, and it just felt like the craft of upholstery was out of reach. Professionals seem to keep the knowledge all to themselves. I finally decided to stop accepting that as my reality, and I went and sought out an adult night school and spent years perfecting the craft of modern upholstery. And I documented everything along the way, building a straightforward, confusion-free roadmap, one that I desperately needed when I first started my upholstery journey. I think that I finally cracked the code on what separates a DIY upholstery job from a professional, beautiful result. My commitment is to bring sewing and upholstery back from the grave. I'm thrilled to introduce my proven system. It is my weekend upholstery workshop. Go from beginner to professional without wasted time or money. Inside, you will get tool clarity, so you're not wasting time on unnecessary tools or tools that don't work. Material or fabric secrets, know exactly what to buy and where to source it. And 3, the most important, the professional techniques to guarantee that you get beautiful results, high-end looking professional furniture. So if you're ready to stop watching tutorial after tutorial after tutorial and not finding the answers that you need, now is the time. I'm running a Black Friday sale on the Weekend Upholstery Workshop. It's $79 starting tomorrow through midnight on Black Friday. After midnight on Black Friday, it does go up to the regular price of $149. So make sure that you get the Upholstery Workshop now for $79, and you can put the saved money away for your fabric or your tools. So don't waste any more time. Get in the workshop. The link is below. Let's start the revival together, and I'll see you on the inside.